Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I wanted to share with you some finished projects that I have, and they'll hopefully be moving out of my house soon, so I wanted to go ahead and show them to you. Excuse me. I've been making some scrunchies, and scrunchies. They're easy to make, so easy to make. So I've made them just in all different colors that you can imagine. And I did a little tutorial on my YouTube. And at that time I was doing 2 double crochets in each stitch. But I kept playing with it and just kept playing with it. And I found out that I like 3 double crochets in each stitch. So that's what I'm doing now. Here's LSU. You're local. Local people like that. Anyway, so I just got tons and tons of different colors, and some are curlier than others. Some are smaller, for little or smaller kids and such. So yeah, I just got a whole bunch of them here. Hopefully I will be moving these out of my house quickly. We'll see what happens. So right now it is 3:46 a.m. and Dakota and I will be going to the art crawl tonight. Yeah, in just a few hours we'll be going to set up our stuff, and then hanging out at the art crawl tonight and having some fun. So I've been going through my stuff and deciding what I'm going to take. I have a ton of stuff to take. Yes. Here's another scrunchie that I made, and this one I did the 3 double crochets in each stitch. I just like the way that turns out. It looks really good, super wavy and curly. It's cute. And here's another one, and then here's the largest one that I did. It's pretty big. So I'm taking those to the art crawl tonight. And then I don't know if you saw that I made some fingerless gloves. Now this pair is mine, and I've stretched these out and they fit my hands well. So I'm not taking these to the art crawl. Well, I am going to take them, but just to have to show in case someone wants to order a pair. But these are definitely mine, so they're not for sale. And then also these are mine and not for sale. And I have made another pair of these and did sell. Someone on Facebook asked me to make them some, and so I did, and delivered them to her, and she loved them. It was actually a young girl that lives out here in my community, and she was her church was participating in a bake sale one Saturday morning, and so she contacted me like late Friday evening, and said, could I make her some gingerbread fingerless gloves? And I said, sure, I can have them ready tomorrow night. And she said, oh, what about any sooner than that, like tomorrow morning? And I said, yeah, I can have them done tomorrow morning. And she said, how early? And I was just like, what? And she said that she wanted to wear them to the bake sale that her church was doing. And so, I wanted to do them for her. So I just got busy right then and did them and finished them up that night and took them to her. So, and then the next day I did go by their bake sale and purchased a pie and some crackers or something. And she was there and she had her gloves on and she loved them. So that was sweet. And then I whipped up this pair, just some neon. I'm showing you the back side of them. Some neon and black. I know this. I love this. I love Red Heart yarn. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a Red Heart yarn. And so, and I didn't tell you these. So I'm bad about that. But these are, this is metallic. I love this yarn. And this is Red Heart's, whatever's brown and a white. And then I was just playing around and made some peppermint ones. I thought these turned out cute. So I made those. And then the little girl hinted that she wanted a pair of these. And so I went ahead and made them in case she does want them. She hadn't contacted me back again. But Santa ones, and they are so cute. And I also made these dog ones that I just love. I love the tail. They turn out cute. It's a little tail on the side. I love these. I think they're so cute. His ears are kind of 3D. And then I just put a paw print and a little tail coming out the side. So that's this hand's glove. And so the tail just kind of wags over there. I thought those were cute. I like being silly like that. And then I've done some towel toppers. I took the ring, and I know most people crochet all the way around the ring, but to me the towel doesn't slide that well that way. So I just wanted to do a section at the top, and I think I did like 10 single crochets, and then double crocheted into that, and then left a buttonhole. And so and I just went through my buttons and added some. So that's one. And here's one that says it's 1 o'clock somewhere, or is it 1 o'clock yet? And then this one says, "What's shaking?" I put a yellow button. And I do like this one. The bee. I put a yellow button on that. And here's "Oh Snap." So there's one. And I have 2 of those. And another wine one. This one I did with a brown. So then I have another bee. And then I have a coffee one that says "Some Like It Hot." So I priced these at $10. I'm taking them to the art crawl tonight, and we'll just see what happens. Maybe I won't bring as many home with me. Who knows? This one, if this one don't sell, it's going to my kitchen. Little chicken button. And I have tons of chicken or rooster or whatever dish towels already. So, and here's a sunflower one. And then the last one is just this little gray and blue one. And this really does match my kitchen better. My whole house is gray and turquoise. Well, I say the whole house. The parlor, the kitchen, living room, and dining room is gray and turquoise. The bathroom is gray and yellow, and it's decorated in "Are You My Sunshine?" And then Jody's den is decorated in his hunting stuff, like ducks and Labrador retrievers and things like that, and stuff that he would be interested in. And then our bedroom is gray and yellow, and it is decorated, one side of the wall, one wall is decorated with things about love. And then on my side of the bed is a lot of church paintings and church scenery pictures and stuff. So, excuse me. And then our boys is whatever they wanted. But anyway, basically my house is turquoise and yellow, turquoise and gray, like you see right here. So, okay. The other thing that I have made is Cactus in this cup that says "Can't touch this." And so I found these cups at Dollar Tree a good while back. I had picked up one and I made one, and then I was like, oh, I gotta go back to Dollar Tree and get some more of those in case I ever do a craft show or something. And so I think I ended up with 7 of them. And actually, they're under the piano. I've got to get Elijah to get them out in the morning. And I need to make myself that note real quick so I'll remember to get Elijah to get them out. So anyway, I'll just show you the different ones I made in this cup. So there's a yellow flower on one. I couldn't decide whether to do faces on them or not. Then here's one with a blue flower. And then here's one like this with a pink flower on a little one. And I don't know, I could never decide if I wanted to do faces or not. I'm also going to take them like this tomorrow. And then, you know, if no one's interested in them, or if people even, you know, I might ask a few people, you know, if they think they need faces. And then I can always bring them home and put faces and try again later. So I've only got the one cup out, but I've got 4 of these finished and ready to go with us tomorrow. I had something else, but I guess it got moved. Oh, I see. Let me see if I can get this without causing all kinds of trouble here. Well, I don't want to knock the camera over, but let me just see if I can get this real quick. Sorry about that. Is this it? Yeah, it just got covered up. I made a Barbie doll dress, a Santa Barbie doll dress. I crocheted this and then gave her a frilly bottom. So I'm going to make one for my 18-inch dolls soon. Sometime this month, hopefully, if things will slow down. But anyway, I was proud of how that turned out. And I gave her some little sleeves because it was a sleeveless dress. And I thought, well, that kind of looks weird. So added some sleeves on there. And then what else do I have here? Okay, so that's all my finished objects. But I do have something else that I did pick up just today. I ran to Dollar Tree to get some tablecloths for our tables tomorrow. I just got black tablecloth. And I had saw, I think it was Angelia at the Little Xenia patch, had told Anna at Adventures with Anna about these curlers. And Anna was making a cat. And so she was wanting something to make the cat tail posable. And so Angelia had told her about these curlers at Dollar Tree. And so I went in there to get the tablecloths, like I said. And then I thought, well, I need some packaging tape. And I was trying to think of what all I needed. And I just ended up on an aisle. And I looked over and I saw these. And I was like, oh, that's what Angelia was telling Anna about. So let me get some. So they had like 3 different sizes. So here's the super skinny ones. And they can be cut. And they are posable because they're like rollers or something. So anyway, I guess you can twist these in your hair. So if you was to crochet around them to make a tail, then you could pose the tail. So I got the skinny, and then these are a little bit more chunky, and then these are like super chunky. So I just went ahead and got 3 packs of them while I was, you know, you never know if Dollar Tree is going to have something again. So I went ahead and got them. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I just wanted to jump on and show you those items before we head off here in a little bit. I'm going to go try to get me a little bit of sleep before it's time to pack up and head over there. But thank you for stopping by today and checking out my channel, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always coming back and watching my videos, and I just appreciate you all very much. And I hope you all have a great day, and wish us luck. Bye, guys.